Children, let us start with the thought I can do it. This slope of a line concept is given for self-study. Let us try to understand the concept. When we walk on a plain road, we need not exert much effort. But while climbing up the slope, we need more effort. In science, you have studied that while climbing up a slope, we have to work against the gravitational force. Okay, try to understand the concept. Consider points with coordinates CE, second point E. So 2, 1 and coordinates of second point 6, 7. How to calculate the slope for this? We calculate the slope y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this is 6 by 4, 6 by 4. Here it is reduced from 3 by 2. So likewise, here it is shown for two other coordinates calculating the slope. So x1, y1, x2, y2 are 2 points on the line L. Then the ratio of y coordinates, difference in y coordinates to difference in x coordinate, we call it as a slope. And it is denoted by letter M. Study this activity. Observe the given figure. X dash, y dash, origin O, line T with coordinates point C on line T, that is 3, 4, point D minus 1, 0. Observe line N, line L, coordinates of point A 4, 0, coordinates of point B 6, 1. It is given. Some points on line L, T and N are given. Find the slope of those lines. Now we know how to get the slope. It is the ratio of difference in y coordinates to difference in x coordinates. Slope of line L and slope of line T are positive. This is line L, line T whose slopes are positive. Slope of line N is negative. Slope of line T is more than slope of line L. This is line T, this is line L. Slope of line L and T, which makes acute angle with x-axis, this is positive direction of x-axis. Line L is making acute angle, line T is making acute angle with positive direction of x-axis. Slope of line N, observe line N, it makes an obtuse angle with x-axis. So this slope is negative. Slope is negative. This is making an obtuse angle with positive direction of x-axis. Now study slopes of x-axis and y-axis and the lines which are parallel to this axis. Line M parallel to x-axis, line L parallel to y-axis, origin O. Coordinates x1, 0, x2, 0 are the 2 points on this x-axis. Slope of x-axis is difference in y coordinates. It is the ratio difference in y coordinates to difference in x coordinates. So 0 minus 0 upon x2 minus x1. So x2 minus x1, it is a non-zero number. So this answer is 0. So slope of x-axis is 0. No elevation over here. Now 0 y1, 0 y2 are the 2 points on y-axis. Find out slope of y-axis. Apply the formula what you have. It is the ratio of difference in y coordinates y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, y0 minus 0. So division by 0 is not defined. So it's not possible. So slope of y-axis cannot be determined. Now try to find the slope of any line like which is parallel to x-axis. It will come to be 0. And slope of any line which is parallel to y-axis, you can observe slope cannot be determined. Okay.